Hi, I'm Chef Daniele. I'm gonna make the Parmesan ravioli with walnut cream. So for this recipe we need the pasta dough. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna use today. Parmesan shaving, olive oil, walnut, rucola, black pepper, grated Parmesan, salt, butter, cream, the walnut cream, and the stuffing for the raviolis, a Parmesan mousse. For the ravioli, we already rolled the pasta dough into sheet. It's around 1 millimeter thickness. So we are placing the stuffing. It's in one of the sheet. Then we'll brush some egg wash. So we place another sheet of pasta dough on top. Just press around so all the air will go off. Then with a cutter, we cut the pasta into ring, and again we press with fingers. So then I'm gonna reheat the sauce. I place some butter in the pan. Little bit cream. And the walnut cream. Let's salt in the pasta water. Pasta water has to be salty but not extremely salty. Otherwise there is no, you will not have flavor on the ravioli. I will add some water on the sauce to make the sauce creamier. Then we drop the ravioli in the pasta water. They have to cook for around, now these are fresh, for around 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, no more than that. Then once the ravioli are cooked, we place in the sauce. We'll add some Parmesan cheese. Little bit pepper. And then we can plate. And we garnish with some rucola leaves, some pepper, crushed walnut, and some olive oil.